people. This is your narrator. What should I say? Navigator. This is your navigator.
I'm a navigator. Well, Mr. Smarty Pants, you said this river take us to Fort Lauderdale.
So, did that snake get... Dang, he got smushed.
No doubt, he got squished. Anyway, no new videos for right now, guys. Just want to let you know, I'll be taking a whole week off from YouTube. Well, I'll be online, but I won't have any new videos up. Taking a week off from YouTube uploading. So you guys have a fun 4th of July. And I will upload some new videos later on after the 4th week off. Sky lanterns, so we'll have that going on YouTube. For Pepper's birthday on the 8th of July. Our park's all cleaned up and ready to go for the 3rd of July and cruising to the park on the 4th of July with the loaded trailer. I'll have 2 coolers on here, my water cooler, got my game, chair, table, firewood, fire ring. I'm all set. I'm going to get everything loaded up and we'll get a new video of it. See you then. In case, don't do anything stupid before the July fireworks. I had fun.
Yeah, don't...
Fireworks war!
Don't blow people up.
I've had to blow you up.
And be careful. Whatever you do, don't put fireworks in your hand. You'll blow
No. What do you get if you put fireworks into the microwave? You get out of the kitchen as quickly as possible. Yeah, you got everything hooked up, ready for the trip to the park for the cookout. Firewood, cooler, my club wagon cooler. Fireworks. Oh, open the door. Open the door. I gotta get some here. I've got. La 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 la. The other bangers. All right, here we go. Oh, sorry. Got fuel now. I am ready to roll. Asteroid we are. Fruitcake.
Yeah, Mr. We're ready to go have some fun.
Here we are in Gas City Park. Getting everything set up. A couple people will show up. We'll get cookout and everything going. And we'll ready my fly up.